Another thing I have to tell you that all of you must know Sahaja Yoga full well. Very few people really know about Kundalini, really know about vibrations. They do not know where is the void. There should be a regular class even for grown-up Sahaja Yogis. Where is the void on the feet? Where are the chakras on the feet? When I tell them to rub my feet, they don't know where it is. You may be uneducated, doesn't matter, but in Sahaja Yoga you should be educated. You should have full education in Sahaja Yoga. You must know where is this disease coming from, how to cure it. Every one of you should be educated in. So when you have your meditation class, also you must have a class to educate yourself about Sahaja Yoga. What are the things to be done? Now there's a book, of course I saw that's a good book they have written about the children, but there's no spontaneity, so I'll have to work it out. But it's not only the books, but my tapes are there. When you are listening to my tapes, note down the points, what mother has said, and see for yourself. So the education in Sahaja Yoga is very important, otherwise your intelligence will rust out. You must have full education of Sahaja Yoga. Only giving realization is not the work, you must have. So others must know you are knowledgeable. The amount of education you have had, nobody had before, no saint had it. So now take full advantage. Whatever your age may be, education, qualification may be, what doesn't matter, but you all should know what is Sahaja Yoga, what it means, how it works out. Ask questions yourself and find answers. You all are still students of Sahaja Yoga, must know that. You are still students of Sahaja Yoga and you must master it. You must know it, every word of it. Just to enjoy Sahaja Yoga is not the point. So I hope you will listen to my lecture today, you will take the tapes home and listen to them again and again. Also, there's a warning from people that mother, what they do is to take one tape for one center and everybody listens it and then finished. When you all should have one tape each. Even that people don't do. Not only that, but now it might be after some time only one tape in circulation in one country. May circulate. Say today in New York, tomorrow in Boston, like that. You have to listen to it again and again. Sit down with you, paper and pencil, and see for yourself what I'm saying. Every tape should be with you. I mean, these horrible gurus' tapes, you can hear them in every car, in every place. Everyone, they have it. And why is it? Sahaja Yogis don't have any tapes with them. You can make copies. But if you can get it free, they'll like to have. That's the first thing. What we can get free, cheaply, easily. If you try to save money, the money tries to save itself. It's a mutual understanding. It's as simple as this. Supposing you open only one door, no air will come in. You open the other door, the air will start flowing. It's a circulation. All this can be your own knowledge too. I need not say anything. This is all in your brains. Only open out yourself. You are not free people. If you are free like me, you will see all these things coming from your own brains. I have already explained that you shouldn't talk. There are so many tapes which they have never heard. Just let them listen to my tape, then go into meditation, and then do the arati and finish it off. Because these tapes are to be heard again and again. Now those who get any questions out of those tapes can next time discuss it before starting the tapes. That's a very good thing and that works. In India nobody speaks. They just put my tapes on or show my video. After that they just have meditation and arati. Finished. After that nobody talks. But before starting it, they do it is to talk to each other and discuss the problems or discuss anything that they felt about the previous program. You must know that when I speak, I don't speak. Actually, these are all mantras. Whatever I do, I work it out in such a way that what I am saying works out within you. It's the Kruta Yoga, and it works out. When I say that, the whole machinery gets geared up. So when I say something, if you start reflecting it in your mind, you are gone, because you are not receiving what I am trying to do. If it is a mantra, that means whatever I am saying, those sound waves will create that being within you that I am describing. So at that time, once you start thinking about it, you cannot receive it, because you have put a barrier of your thought. So when I am talking, just try to receive it. Just say yes, yes inside, so that you receive it within yourself.